Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss about a topic, the three topics. This is the question of the Codechef, and we are going to solve this question right now. Before going on the conclusion on the or the writing of the code, firstly we will discuss about the question, its problem statement, what type of question it is, what is the hardness of the question. After that we will be solving this question through the code. Okay, so before going through this, let's have a reading of this problem statement. The SIF has reached the final of the annual inter-school declaration context. For the final student, we were asked to prepare 10 topics. However, SIF has only able to prepare 3 topics numbered A, B and C. Okay, he is totally blank about the other topics. This means SIF can only win the context if he gets the topic A, B or C to speak about. So till now we can conclude from the statement that there are 10 topics given to a student, and a student have to speak on a particular topic, and a particular student whose name is Safe, he has prepared only A, B and C topics. Other 7 topics has been left by him. Okay, so he will win the contest only. This means that look at this statement. This means Safe can only win the contest if he gets the topic A, B or C to speak about. So we can conclude from here that Safe will win the contest only if he will get or he will be asked to speak about the topic A, B or C. Okay, if he will be asked other than the topics A, B and C, I means the rest 7 topics, he will get he will not win the contest. Okay, so on the contest day, Safe gets topic X. This is the topic X, particular topic that he has been asked to deliver a speech on. Okay, so determine whether Safe has any chances of winning the competition. Okay, so this we have to find out, and what we have to print yes if it's possible to Safe to win the contest, else print no. Okay, so here we will have to print 2 things only. Okay, one is the yes or other is the no. If Safe, the X value of here we have to check for the value of X. If value of X is equal to A or equal to B or equal to C, okay, then we will have to print yes, else we have to print no. Okay, so next statement, you may print each character besting either uppercase or lowercase. So this is just an extra statement, we just not required this statement. Okay, so next is input format. What is input format? The first and only line of input will contain a single line containing 4 spaces, separated integers A, B and C and X. Okay, so there are 4 inputs. We have to create a variables for 4 types, A, B, C and X. Here as per the upper statement, X is the particular topic assigned to Safe on the day of the contest. Okay, here we can see on the contest day, so X is that particular value, and A, B and C are the topics that Safe has prepared. Okay, so output format we have already seen, we have to print yes or no, and here we can see the explanation that 2, 3, 7 Safe these are the inputs. Here input 2, 3, 7, 3. So 2, 3 and 7, 2, 3 and 7 are the topics that has been prepared by the Safe, and 3 is the topic that has been assigned to Safe by the on the contest day. Okay, so here 3 and 3 matches, means 3 is present in these ABC value, so we can say that yes, it can he can win the contest. Okay, and here the second input 4, 6, 8 and 5. So 8, 6 and 4, these are the topics that has been prepared by the Safe, while the topic assigned to the Safe on the contest day is 5. So we can conclude that he will not be able to win the contest. Okay, so this is the simple question, very simple walkthrough question, and cakewalk type questions, just based on the if else conditions. Okay, so we will be coding for this question right now. So before going let's have a declaration of variable. We will declare 4 variable A, B, C and X. Okay, so these are the 4 variables which we have assigned. So next is scene statement. Scene statement, we will take the input for A, B, C and X. A, B, C and X. Okay, so after that we will just check for they are the not test cases. Okay, no test cases as present. As per the Codechef, we normally see that in most of the question, or 90% of the question contains test cases. We have to provide test cases statement, but here it has been not been given, so we will not be required to use the loop. Okay, no looping is required, so we will just check for the conditional statement. If value of x is equals what, a, or double or statement we will use, so that if one particular statement is satisfied, then the conditional statement will now go to check the other statement. Okay, so that is why we are using double slash. And next is x is equals b, or x is equals c. A, B and C we have checked. Okay, so A, B, C has been checked. So C out, just C out what, yes. Okay, yes. So this is a very simple question. And next we will just print no. Okay, so we will run this code, sample input. We will take this input first. So let's paste this input in the custom input, and we will run this code. Show the output yes. Okay, show output matches, and the next input we will check for this next input as well. So let's remove this and paste it out. So it print out no. Okay, so let's submit the code. So it's showing correct answer. So guys, please like the video, comment if anything is missing, or if you require anything else, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.